What does the name meaning of Naila? What does the name meaning of Naila? What does the name meaning of Naila? The name Naila means a success. The name Naila means a success. The name Naila means a success. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Lucky numbers 5. Lucky numbers 5. Lucky numbers 5. Suitable color is red, rusty, light. Suitable color is red, rusty, light. Suitable color is red, rusty, light. Suitable stone is topaz. Suitable stone is topaz. Suitable stone is topaz. Suitable day is Sunday, Tuesday. Suitable day is Sunday, Tuesday. Suitable day is Sunday, Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.